Today we will try to understand how to access the apps you're building or how your users will be able to access the app. So, we have this app called as controls. And there are two possible ways in which your users can access the app. One is an organizational access. And second one is the open public access. Let's understand the difference between both of them and how do we enable access for both the cases. When you're actually done building your application, you have to click on this publish button here. Now I'll just add my release notes here and publish them. Here I've already published in a version 0.0.6. When you click here, you'll be able to publish this. Now, here are two types of access which we can enable. Let's check out what organizational access is. When I enable the organizational access from here, all the micro apps that I'm creating and publishing will be available to the users under a specific login. Where do I get that login? If you see here, let me just close this, there's an Android app here on the Play Store and an app on the Apple App Store and a web browser. Let's open the web browser for the sake of it. Now, when I open this, you'll be directed to the URL where your users will be able to log in. And of course, you can add your users from the Users console from here. I'll open that and show you. Here's the Users tab where I can add my users to the organization so that they can log in and view the application that I'm building. I'm just going to log in here and you'll see the home screen that I'll land on. This is the dashboard that all your users will view. These are the different applications that I've already added here. I'll go to Controls and open this app. There you go, you can see the app that's being used by the users. This is exactly how your users will be able to see it in the Android Play Store or Apple App Store. Now, these apps can also be white labeled and you can request for those or you can add a custom domain to it as well. This is one way in which you tend to give organizational access to your users. Let's understand the second part of the access, which is the public access. Now, when you go to publish and enable this here, you get an embed code which you can use to embed in your own portals or websites or anywhere else. There's also a link given here. So, I can copy this and paste it in the browser and this is where you'll be able to access publicly without going through the login screen and adding users. Mostly this is done for public forms like signups or even if it's a small web page. You see all the data here without actually logging in. To summarize the video, these are the two types of access that you can provide for your applications. In the next series we'll understand what are environments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. For more such videos visit our YouTube page.